Hello, my name is Shinhwa and I'm the curatorial assistant for Korean art at the Asian Art Museum. Today I'm sharing an artifact on the Korean mother of pearl lacquerware with a motif of 10 symbols of longevity.
This reading desk shows a highly sophisticated mother-of-pearl lacquerware culture that transforms everyday home furniture into a work of art. On the top of this desk, its delicate design illustrates 10 symbols of longevity, a group of animals and natures that are known to live or last for a long time. For example, bamboo and pine trees remain green throughout a year, cranes are known to live a long life, and deer are believed to sniff and find plants of immortality. 10 symbols of longevity have been depicted in many forms of art, such as painting screens, textiles, architectures, metalworks, and ceramics. These examples tell us how much people desired for a long life by using such objects in almost every part of their lives. As you can see from this old family photo, people also celebrated special days like the 60th birthday with a painting screen of longevity symbols and wished for their loved ones' long life and health. The reading desk I'm discussing now was on view at a special exhibition on Korean mother-of-pearl lacquerware at the Asian Art Museum in 2016. And last year, a pathology doctor, Judy Doyle, whom we should all thank during this pandemic, invited me to our previous office at Sutter Health Hospital to view a chalk mural inspired by the reading desk at the exhibition. Dr. Doyle said she was drawn to the meanings of the symbols as she always contemplated longevity as a medical doctor. Now, please take a moment to enjoy her beautiful mural work and see how wonderfully she captured the luminosity of the mother of pearl using chalk. Ironically, her mural work, like many other murals, vanished later, but it continues to tell us that art can incorporate our hopes, especially now when health is one of our biggest wishes for each other. If you have any object at the museum that speaks to you, what about spending this irritating time to create a new artwork with your own interpretation? Thank you for watching this artifact from the Asian Art Museum. Despite the significant financial impact of these changes and the many unknowns ahead, we are fully committed to moving forward. We need your support now more than ever, and we hope you'll consider a gift to the Sustainer Fund at the Asian Art Museum. Thank you.